I feel like the best money that you can make is money that you're making when you're not doing anything to make it. And through the power of social media and through the power of the internet, this has never been as possible as it is today. Hey, Founding Business family, my name is Isabella. I'm the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses. And today I'm going to be talking about how you can make money online passively as a service provider. Before we start this video, just smash that like button. It's the one thing that you guys can do that's free, and it helps support my channel so I can continue to make free videos like this for you guys to help you guys make more money. So what do I mean by service provider? This can basically mean anybody that provides some kind of service. This can include hairstylists, lash artists, nail artists, anybody in the beauty industry, real estate, anybody in the medical field. Here is how you are going to make money online passively in 2022. I have so many friends that opened up salons this year, started their lash business, and I promised them that I would do a video like this, not only for them, but for anybody across YouTube that's trying to make extra money in 2022. If you're a service provider, that means that you have a talent, and by sharing this talent across the internet in the ways that I'm going to share with you guys today, this is how you could potentially retire from what you're doing someday, or that you guys can make a bunch of extra money for the year. If you guys have not already used TikTok, get on TikTok right now. If you're unsure of how TikTok works, basically you can start off literally with $0 on TikTok, and there's always a potential for you to blow up overnight. It's basically like everybody has an equal chance of going viral on TikTok. So if you can bring something new to the TikTok game, or if you can do something but you make it different to make it stand out, you can also very easily build a following across TikTok. If you guys are unfamiliar with what I do, I built my e-commerce business strictly from just making TikTok videos. And if you want to learn how I make those TikToks, I have tutorials on my YouTube channel for you guys to learn. So whenever I make these videos on my YouTube channel, I always love to include examples. Perfect example of what I'm going to be teaching you and telling you guys about in this video, this girl right here. So her name is Nails by Dev. I've been following her for the past year, and let me tell you, this girl is a mastermind. Her content is amazing. So she's somebody that, she could have just been doing nails, but she looked beyond that and she built her social media presence. She built a huge following across TikTok. So what Nails by Dev looks like she did was she built her TikTok following, built her Instagram following. So as her videos are going viral across the internet, she's getting paid for those TikToks probably through the TikTok Creator Fund. So that's a great form of passive income. It's free money just to promote your work, and it's a great way to connect with people. Again, TikTok is not going to be your primary main source of passive income, but it's still a really great way to just make money passively. Now, also another thing that I have seen people in the beauty industry do on TikTok, I saw one girl, she was doing lashes and she had a live stream going while she was doing other girls' lashes. So she just had the phone positioned on a tripod over her client, and she just did the live stream over her client, and like people loved the conversations that her and her client were having on these live streams, and people were donating money on live streams. Live streams is another great way to make money on TikTok. But we want to focus on TikTok, not just because of, the passive income that you make on TikTok, but we want to focus on TikTok because TikTok is what you are going to funnel people to the next way to monetize. So back to Nails by Dev, she started her own e-commerce store. So she also sells her own products that she shows in her videos with her clients. So she takes these beautiful videos of doing her nail art with her clients, and then for other aspiring nail artists or other nail artists, they wind up buying her products, and she has her link in her TikTok bio, so people are able to shop with the link in her bio. And she has been a huge success from what I see on her social media as well. And her e-commerce business alone has probably brought in so much money for her. So not only is she potentially making great money from TikTok itself, but she's also making money from her e-commerce store by selling her own products. So I just wanted to show you an example of someone that I feel like is on top of their passive income game, other than providing a service to people in person. I think she has a lot of fun with her TikTok account too, and I love to watch her. She's one of my favorite accounts. So I just wanted to show you that as an example. I have videos on my YouTube channel showing you guys how you guys can start your e-commerce store for $0, how you guys can start selling online without a business, basically anything you guys need to launch your online store is on my YouTube channel. As you're building your TikTok account for your service, of course, your whole client list will blow up. Like a lot of people in the beauty industry or in any type of industry where they're trying to reach more people and reach more clients, I think the purpose of their pages is to try to just find more clients. But I feel as though if you can go beyond that and think outside of that box, your client list will grow beyond what you even imagine it to be, because you're not so focused on trying to find people. They're going to find you, and that means you can increase your prices, you can charge whatever you want, because all of a sudden you have all this social media presence. And that is the key in 2022, people trusting you, etc. So social media presence is so important for any business, but I feel especially businesses in the beauty industry. As a service provider, as you are building your presence on TikTok, you're gaining more followers. Just keep that in mind to always refer them to another social media. Now, the number one social media that I recommend to you guys, if you are in the beauty industry or in any service industry at all, is creating a YouTube channel based around your service or your niche. If you can use this YouTube channel to help out other people in some way, or to teach other artists certain things, this can create a lot of money for you as well. Now, a lot of people start YouTube channels and they aren't really sure, or they're not actually aware of how much money they can make just by posting YouTube videos. So a lot of people will start a YouTube channel and just recycle their TikToks to shorts on YouTube. I personally don't necessarily recommend you doing that. Instead of making vertical videos, turn that video horizontal and start making passive income through YouTube. Especially if you're creating educational content, YouTube tends to pay more money for people that are educating people rather than just showing off a client or just kind of a video that doesn't really have a purpose. And remember, the more value that a video has, or the more value that you're providing, the more that your channel is going to grow, and the more people have a reason to actually follow you as a service provider. Or if you kind of just don't really understand how all of this works, you guys can always research other artists or other people in the service industry that you are in and kind of just scope out and see what they're doing. I never recommend you copying other people like exactly, but you guys can scope out what other people are doing. And just because there's already other people doing something doesn't mean that you can't come in and do something your own way and make it your own unique thing that will stand out to others. I built my 6-figure earning e-commerce business by doing kind of the most stupid videos that you could ever imagine. So don't be afraid to go outside your comfort zone and to do things that will draw more attention to your page on TikTok. If you are a service provider and this video helped you, give this video a huge thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions about anything that I talked about in this video, just comment down below and I try to answer as many questions as I can. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well, because I post a bunch of story posts that also give people tons of business advice and inspirational content. Bye everyone!
Hold me close till I